I'm going to show you guys how to super stake your Qtum with the AVADO or without an AVADO with offline staking. What up guys, Matt6 here, and in today's video I'm going to share with you guys how you can stake Qtum on your AVADO. Now this is a brand new package that was just released on the AVADO, so let's go ahead and take a look. Alright guys, so as you can see the Qtum package here. Now all you need to do is click download and it will start downloading and you'll be ready to get staking. It's real simple. It's not like you need to know how to use a terminal or how to type to a computer or anything. You don't need to be tech savvy at all with the AVADO, and that's the whole point of the AVADO. Speaking of the AVADO, let's go check out the different models that they offer. Alright, and as you can see here, they have an AVADO i5, which is what I use. They also have two different models of the i7, and use my code MATLONG6 to get 2.5% off. You can pay with credit card, PayPal, or even the DAI stablecoin, and they have free international shipping. Alright, so we're back here on the AVADO, and while it's downloading, I just wanted to let you guys see that there are many different dApps that you can get on the AVADO. In particular, I run the Mysterium node and the Hopper node. I have a video about Hopper if you haven't seen that. And if you would like to see how much money I'm making with staking Hopper and running the Mysterium VPN master node, then all you need to do is watch my monthly videos where I show you how much money I make with the helium hotspots and all my AVADO stuff and other things like Coin Hunt World. And now I'm going to add Qtum to the spreadsheet now, so subscribe so you can see how much money I make with the Qtum staking. Alright, so like I said at the beginning of the video, you don't actually need an AVADO to stake. Let me explain the difference here. So if you have an AVADO or a Qtum node, you will be called a super staker, and what that is that you will be the one actually processing the data for the blockchain, so that way you can help the blockchain move along. So what there is there's super stakers, and then there's offline stakers, which are also called delegators. So the super stakers we just went over. The offline stakers is what you can do if you don't have an AVADO, and all you do is delegate your tokens to someone who is a super staker like me. So I'll put my wallet address in the description below if you'd like to delegate to me, and it's real simple to do. And basically how it works for offline stakers would be, if you delegate to me, I would take a percent of the earnings that you would earn if your Qtum was chosen to be the one to process the data for the blockchain. So before you go and buy a whole bunch of Qtum, you need to know what it actually is. So I'm going to give you my summary. You can get more details if you do your own research, but here's my summary. So basically Qtum is the best of both worlds between Bitcoin and Ethereum, where it takes all of the good things from Bitcoin, like Bitcoin gateways, and the good things from Ethereum, like smart contracts, and it is also able to scale. Qtum is fully compatible with the blockchains of both Bitcoin and Ethereum. Qtum works with proof of stake instead of mining, and the whole point of Qtum is to be industry ready. You can join their Telegram if you would like to know more. Alright, so now you know about Qtum, well, a summary of it, and then you know about AVADO and my code MATLONG6 to get 2.5% off. And now let's go to CoinGecko, and we can see the price of Qtum right now is $13.73. Today is August 23rd. Just in case you wanted to know, it looks like Qtum is actually the 82nd coin, so it's in the top 100 of all the cryptocurrencies, so that's pretty cool. So let's go ahead and scroll down, and you'll see the price chart, you'll see the movement, and then you can also see down here the different exchanges that offer trading for Qtum if you would like to purchase Qtum. So in addition to these ones that are shown on screen, you can also go to KuCoin and to Gate.io and Binance.us. Binance, the normal one, probably also has it, but I live in the US, so I have to use Binance.us. And you can also buy from Kraken. So now you know where to buy Qtum in case you're interested. I'm going to go ahead and buy some myself from KuCoin. Okay, so while we're waiting for my Qtum node to sync, let me show you the two ways to stake. So we bought the Qtum now. I have it in my KuCoin and Binance.us account, and we're going to show you what you can do with them. So with my KuCoin, I'm going to take it, I'm going to deposit directly into the address that the AVADO gives me, this top one here. So it's that simple. As soon as you do that, we're good, because it will automatically stake your Qtum into the super staker within about like 12 hours. Now, one thing that I highly suggest is that you click backup codes and you save this somewhere, because this is important in case you ever get a corrupted file or something in your AVADO. I don't know what might happen. Maybe your AVADO is in a flooded area and it gets water in it. I don't know. If something happens to your AVADO, you need to have this backup code in order to get back your Qtum coins, just in case something were to happen. You have this backup code. Quick note, you may notice I had 1.7 already inside my node. That's because I was testing it out before I record this video. You may notice later in the video as well that I have 1.7 in my wallet, and that is because I recorded that footage before I recorded this footage. Nothing to be concerned about, just wanted to let you guys know and be transparent. All right, cool. So we got our Qtum in our AVADO now, and it is ready to stake. But what if I wanted to unstake it later in the future for some reason? Real simple, you click the UI, and then you need to restore from WIFT, which you get from the AVADO. Just copy and paste your secret key. Do not show anyone this ever. This is your secret key, and then paste it in there, and then scroll over to where it says send, click that, and then copy and paste your exchange's wallet or some other wallet, whoever you want to send it to. Paste it in there, and then go ahead and hit send, and it will send it to the exchange where you can exchange it for Bitcoin or US dollar. All right, so now everything's good on the AVADO and you know how to withdraw it, so that is super staking. Now we're going to talk about offline staking, which is delegating your Qtum to be staked by a super staker. So to do this, you cannot use the UI in the AVADO because you don't have an AVADO, or if you choose to delegate with your AVADO, you could do that too, but you would need to go to the actual wallet. So the one on the AVADO is just a copy of the Qtum wallet, but ran locally. So this one is the official wallet. So for this, what you're going to need to do is click generate new wallet, type in a password, download this. This is your key to be able to get back into your wallet whenever you want. So save this, do not let anyone have it. If someone else had it, then they could potentially steal your Qtum tokens out of your wallet, so don't allow that. All right, so I have some Qtum here on Binance.us, and I'm going to take that, I'm going to withdraw it in my offline staking wallet, and then I'm going to go ahead and paste the address in there. I'm going to use my own AVADO super staker in order to do this, just to show you guys as an example. And then I'm going to choose 7%, because if you notice that I chose on my AVADO to be 7% delegation fee and then 50 delegation amount. We'll talk about that later. And then we are good to go. I also wanted to add a link for this website where you can estimate how many rewards you'll get if you decide to stake. All right, guys, new day. That means new shirt. If you would like to get your hands on one of these coco pieces of merch, then definitely go check out the merch link down in the description. That's right, Coco. That's you. That's you right there. Hey, if you guys not seen Snowball yet, then definitely go check out this video, because Coco got a brand new sister. You girls want a treat? Yeah, there you go. Good girls. All right, so let's check in on our Qtum. So let's go to our AVADO. All right, so let's go to my dApps and then Qtum node. Let's check it out. So we're on the onboarding wizard. Okay, so as you can see here, it says Qtum node is ready. It is synced. Yes, that took about 8 hours. And here's my balance, and I'm currently staking. And then in this many days is when I expected to get paid out my rewards. And I'm connected to 20 different peers. That's pretty good. And yeah, so it seems to be looking nicely. You could change your delegation fee and delegation amount. This is the suggested pair though. So the delegation fee is the cost for users to delegate to you. That means they will offline stake their quantum to you. And then the delegation amount is the minimum you want users to delegate to you. So don't just set the delegation amount to 1 or 0, and don't set the fees to 100, because if you set the fees too high, no one will delegate to you. If you set the delegation amount too low, then you will be taking some risks, because you still have to pay electricity costs, internet, and device costs. So keep that in mind. So what I am personally going to do, I think I'm going to set my delegation fee just slightly lower. This is my personal decision. This is not what I suggest you. I suggest you keep it at 10 and 100. But I want my fee amount to be a little bit lower, so that way maybe I can get a little more delegations. And then I'm going to set my amount to 50, so that way people can delegate less than 100, and they'll see me and think that I'm a better node to delegate to. Let me know in the comments below if this is stupid, but this is what I'm going to do to start out with, and maybe in the future I'll switch it up or something. So let's go ahead and click update, and there we go. Alright guys, so let me go ahead and answer some frequently asked questions of how this all works. So with Qtum, this is how I understand it to be. So basically how it all works is that people will delegate your Qtum to you, and then I, as the super staker, will be rewarded if whoever delegates to me, if their Qtum is chose to process the blockchain, whatever block they're on, and then I will get the percent that I've chosen. As you saw earlier, I chose 7%. And so that way I get 7% of the reward, and then they'll get the rest of the reward. If my own Qtum wins the dice roll of being chosen, then I'll get 100% of the rewards instead of only the fee amount that I set, because it's my own. And then you may have heard that there's a fee for some nodes if you go offline and stuff. For this version, there's no fee for going offline, but if your super staker node goes offline, that means it cannot process any data, which means you cannot win the dice roll for your Qtum to be chosen. And I also wanted to let you guys know that there's a halving with Qtum coming December 1st or around there. And what that means is the blockchain reward will be cut in half. Normally when things are cut in half, as you can see with Bitcoin here recently, the price will go up, so that way it helps even out. But that is just what might happen. You may also see that it goes down or whatnot, because it's very hard to predict the markets, as you may know. So yeah, I'm not a financial advisor, but I just wanted to let you guys that the halving will be December 1st or around there. Also, you may see here that this says expected time rewards. That may be sooner or even later than the actual day that they give you. So for me, it says 4.25 years until I get rewarded. If I stake more, then it will increase my odds. All this is estimating how long it will take for my balance, what I have here, to win one of the blockchain rewards. So of course I have 1.7 Qtum. That's probably has very slim odds of actually winning. It's like winning the lottery. So that's why it says 4.25 years that I'll win once. But obviously that can come before then or after if I get lucky and win. So your chance of winning the blockchain reward is just the total amount that you have staked, including your delegators, divided by the total stake of all the Qtum being staked in total. If you guys would like to increase my chances of winning and earn more Qtum yourself by staking yourself without having an AVADO, all you need to do is delegate to me. So you can see here, just copy and paste this. Link will be in the description. All right, guys, just want to give a shout out to Cater for preparing the AVADO package for us being able to use this, and for answering lots of questions, as well as Frank from Qtum on their Telegram group for helping me with tons of questions I have to better prepare myself for this video. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that it helped you learn something on how to stake your Qtum tokens with the AVADO, as well as maybe enlighten you a little bit about Qtum and AVADO, and show you guys that there are ways to stake without having a minimum requirement. Remember, you could delegate to me or someone else with the Qtum with offline staking. And remember to use my code MattLong6 or link in the description to get 2.5% off your own AVADO if you would like to buy one. Anyways, guys, appreciate you guys watching, for subscribing, hitting that bell, and commenting below what videos you would like to see next. And as always, guys, stay safe, stay active, stay healthy. God bless. Peace. While my node is still sick. Okay, so while my node is still sick. Okay, so while my node is still sinking, there we go.